Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm still working on the kayak rack or the kayak trailer. I got everything all together, and next thing I want to do is see if I can find me a toolbox for down the side. I can show you the other side, but this just came in the mail, and it's gonna be my rod tube. So this was $62 off eBay. There's a lock, just a little deal in case you forget to lock it. Keep it shut. It's a conduit kit. I thought I could find some conduit, 6-inch conduit, pretty reasonable, but the cheapest I could find, a 10-foot stick of 6-inch conduit, $93. Yeah, that's right, 93. All right, so looky here. We were making repairs on the boat because I dropped it, and then it got a bruise. Well, I didn't drop it, a friend dropped it. I got a rock punch right there, and then this got cracked. Fixed that, and there was some spot here and a spot here, and then a spot back here. So we got all that repaired. You can see where I got my strips on. They're not Kydex, but it's from, you know, like a 5-gallon bucket, HDPE. Actually from one of the Firehouse sub pickle buckets. So you can see right along here, and pretty much I'm not going to hold y'all very long for this, but this is and I had that pickle bucket painted black because I used it for firewood and tools and stuff at the campsites. I didn't want anybody using it for something else. So I'll get my 3M tape, VHB, very high bond tape, and put me a couple of strips on here all the way down. Get the temperature up a little bit in here, and then stick it down, and I got my protection right there. And I may do the same thing on the Old Town. You see the Old Town. We haven't even had a chance to do anything with it yet. But if I can't find a decent deal on Kydex for the Old Town, then I'll take some time and put some HDPE on the bottom of this, or another option is get some of that molding that goes on the side of a vehicle, because it has a self-bonding tape on it too that'll stick right on the bottom to last forever. But you can see right here I still have enough space on this top rack with that kayak pushed over, and this is a wide kayak. That's 36 inches wide. I still have enough room for a small toolbox right here for life jackets and anchors and things like that. And then we can start on upgrades like the pintle that goes in here, so I don't have to worry too much about this adjustment here. That just, whenever you're steering, you tighten that down to it so it holds your positions, kind of like a autopilot sort of thing, but it's not really. And we'll see as we go. And this is something I got from my father left me. It was first I thought, that's kind of neat. You can put it on a pipe or something, but it also has legs on it for just a little quick tripod. You know me, I'm all about the tripods. Keep that camera steady. Keep it away from bare light bulbs. Bare light bulbs. Alright, we'll see y'all soon. Thanks for watching. As always, subscribe if you feel like it, and hit that like button. And if you crack the notification bell, it'll let you know whenever I have a new video coming out, and I'll give you the update on the box for this, and if we find a piece of 6-inch PVC pipe for my rod tube, which I hope I do. I don't want to have to pay full price for it. Alright, see y'all later.